Okay, good morning. Today in this class, we can learn about multiplications. Addition of numbers, subtraction of numbers we have solved. And the third fundamental operation is multiplication. After this, the fourth fundamental operation, division also we can see. Now, multiplication means multiplication tables we are seeing. Multiplication is the simplest form of addition. That means if you are adding the same number for repeated number of times, that is to be multiplied. For example, if you add 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 like this, what we are adding? 2 we are adding. How many times we are adding 2? 4 times. That is nothing but multiplication. So 2 we are adding for the number we are adding into how many times we are adding is nothing but multiplication. Okay? So repeated addition is multiplication. So for everything, so for addition and subtraction, there is a relation. What is that relation? Subtraction is the inverse process of addition and addition is the inverse process of subtraction. And here, for addition and multiplication also we have a relation, that is, if we add a same number for repeated number of times, that is to be multiplied. That is to be multiplied. That means, here we are adding 2. How many times we have added 2? 2 we have added 1, 2, 3, 4 times we added. So this is to be multiplied, means 2 into 4 is equal to 8. 2 4 are 8 we can call. Or otherwise 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8. Like this also we can add. So repeated addition is nothing but multiplication. Now how to learn the multiplication tables and how to read multiplication tables also we can see. Now whenever you are reading, just here I will tell you about a ninth table. So how to read ninth table and in vice versa, easily you can. Now for example, multiplications is nothing but 9 1. 9 1 is 9. So how can you write this? How can you read? How can you write? So 9 1 is 9. 9 2s are 18. So observe carefully here what we are writing. And 9 1 is 9. So a singular form we are using here in English. Whenever you are using singular form, we must use is. Why? Because 9 only about one time we are telling. 9 1 is 9. 9 2s. Whenever you are telling about 2 times, 9 we are telling about 2 times, that is 9 2s are. Whenever you are taking 2 times, 2 or more than 2, that is a plural form. Whenever you are taking 2 or more times, then we have to use are. 9 2s are 18. 9 2s are 18. In the same way, 9 3s. 9 3s are 27. So like this we have to read. So 9 1 is nothing but. So 9 1 is 9. That means 9 1 is equal to 9. 9 1s are 9 1 is 9. Next 9 2s. 9 2s are 18. 9 3s are 27. But here, whenever we are reading this table speedily, then what you will use, that you can see. 9 4s are 36. 9 5s are 45. 9 6s are 54. 9 7s are 63. 9 8s are 72. 9 9s are 81. 9 10s are 90. So actually, while you are reading like this, 9 1 is 9, 9 2 are 18, 9 3 are 27, 9 4 is 36, 9 5 is 45, 9 6 is 54, 9 7 is 70, 9 7 is 63, 9 8 is 72, 9 9 is 81, 9 10 is 90. Jar we will use. What is the jar? Jar are nothing but R, A-R-E-R. 9 3s are 27. See, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are R. That is R. In speed we are calling as jar. So don't forget about it. And this is reading a table. And these are multiplication tables. So if you know 1 to 9 tables perfectly, then you can do multiplications and divisions easily. Without knowing these tables, you can't do multiplication. So I am requesting everybody to learn tables and in this way. And not only learning the tables from top to bottom, and it is easy to learn from bottom to top also. If you are learning from bottom to top also, then only you will get clearly idea. If 9 5s, if anybody asks, 9 7s, 9 2s, 9 9s, easily you can answer if you are reading from top to bottom and bottom to top. So now bottom to top, how can you read? You see, 9 10s are 90, 9 9s are 81, 9 8s are 72, 9 7s are 63, 9 6s are 54, 9 5s are 45, 9 4s are 36, 9 3s are 27, 9 2s are 18, 9 1 is 9. Like that, from bottom to top also you have to read. Then only easily you can remember the tables. If you read like this 2 to 3 times or afterwards writing the table without the seeing, then easily you can get the multiplication tables. But it is very important for everyone to learn the tables from 1 to 9. So if you know the tables from 1 to 9, then only easily you can do the multiplications. Now, how can you multiply 2 or more numbers? So, before going to do these multiplications, once again you can check here carefully. For multiplications we need to learn the tables. And as well as, before going to that, just how to multiply that also it is. For example, 23 into 5. 23 we should multiply with 5. So 23 means the expanded form of 23 is 20 plus 3 into 5. This is nothing but 20 into 5 you have to multiply first, and then 3 into 5 also you should multiply. And these two we have to add. And the easiest process also I will tell you. 20 into 5, 2 5s are 10, and we add this 0, 100, plus 3 5s are 15. 100 plus 15 is 150. This is the product. So, whenever you are multiplying 2 or more numbers, you will get a product. And the two numbers are said to be the, one is multiplicand and this is multiplier. 23 is the multiplicand and 5 is the multiplier. Whenever you are multiplying 2 or more numbers, you will get the answer. That answer is known as product. Okay? The answer is known as product. Now here we are multiplying 23 with 5. So 23 has 2 digits. So the number has 2 digits, that divide them into the, divide the multiplicand or expand the multiplicand. Multiplicand, you can write down the expanded form of the multiplicand. 23 can be written as 20 plus 3 into 5. So each and every digit of this multiplication should be done. So 20 into 5 plus 3 into 5. That one will be 25 are 100 plus 3 5 are 15. Now observe 150 you got. Now how can you do in our process this multiplication? So 23 into 5. So observe carefully. 5 3 are 15. 15 has 2 digits. That means, observe carefully here, 15. 5 ones, 1 10. So here this is also 1's place, 10's place. Now 1's place under 1's place you have to write. So 5, right? Take out 5 and write down here 5. Take out 5 and write down here 5. Now 1 is left over. 1 is, where is this one? 1 means 10 we have. So that 10s should be added in 10s. Now what we are multiplying? Now 5 ones we are multiplying with 2 10s. Understand? 5 ones, 5 is ones place, 5 ones we are multiplying with 2 tens, 2 tens. So ones place we are multiplying with 10, 1 tens are tens, that means we are getting tens. Now we are getting, whenever you are multiplying ones with tens, you will get tens. So how many tens we are getting? That all tens you have to write under tens place only. But here you see, observe carefully, 5 into 3. 5, where is 5? 5 is in ones place, 3 is also in ones place. So both 1 into 1, 1. So we are getting ones here. In the addition also we saw here, see, whenever we are writing, whenever we are adding all the ones, writing all the ones in under ones place and carrying digit to the tens place. Like that, here also ones place under you have to write ones, tens place under tens, hundreds place under hundreds. How we are getting that also you can check it. Now 5 threes are 15, 15 in 15, 5 ones, 1 10. So this 1 10 to you have to take to tens place. Now see here, now 5 ones we have written here. Now what we are doing? 5 ones we are multiplying with 2 tens. Ones completed. So here also we are starting the multiplication from ones place only. Addition, subtraction and multiplication should be done from ones place and from the right side onwards. That is right side. So from the right side onwards you have to do. So ones place and tens place. Now first we multiplied 5 with the ones place. Next to 5 with the tens place you should multiply. Now 5 we are multiplying with 10. 5 twos are how much? 10. What is this 10? 10 ones are, 10 tens are, 10 hundreds are. What is this 10? So 5 is in ones place, 2 is in tens place. 1 into 10, 10. That means we are getting here tens. So 5 twos are 10. 10 tens we have got. Okay? 10 tens. And already how many tens is there? 1 10 only. 10 plus 10 tens plus 1 10 gives 11 tens. So this 11 tens. 11 tens means, observe carefully again. 11 tens we are telling. 11 tens means 1 is in tens place. Next greater than 1 tens place. Hundreds place. This 1 should be written in hundreds place. So write down 1 under tens place. So we have written. Now is there here hundreds place? No hundreds place. So write down hundreds place here. That is 1 under hundreds place. 150. This is also. Understood? So same. The same thing we have done. Okay? So 115. This is the easiest way of doing. But this is writing expanded form and multiplication is somewhat. So this is the process of multiplication. Now by taking a bigger numbers, how to multiply we can see. Before going to that multiplications, here see 25s are 100 we are saying. And how you got 100? 2 5s are 10, 1 0 we have added. So how to add these zeros? So that is multiplication with 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh. That also we can learn later. Now we can, by taking the greatest number, how can you multiply? You can see. Now see here. 4, 3, 2, 6 into 45. Multiply. Whenever you are multiplying, 45 means 40 plus 5. That means this number should multiply with 40 first, then the same number should be multiplied with 5, then we should add the 2. But the same thing we are doing here, addition only. In this addition process we are doing. So first multiply, observe carefully everybody. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So whenever we are multiplying 5 with 6, we should start from ones place onward. That means this 5 we should multiply with ones, next to tens, next to hundreds, next to thousands. Okay? Now in the same way, 4 we should multiply with again ones, 4 with multiply with tens, 4 with hundreds, 4 with thousands place digit we should multiply and go on. So first whenever you are multiplying ones with 1, you will get 1. 1 ones are 1. Whenever you are multiplying ones place with 10, 1 tens are 10. So tens you are getting. So whenever you are multiplying 1 with 100, 1 hundreds are 100 you will get. Next, whenever you are multiplying with 1 to 1000, 1000s are 1000 you will get. Okay? So you have to write down in ones, tens, hundreds, thousands places. Now next place is 4. Where is this 4? 4 is in tens place. Now this tens place you start from ones. So 10 ones are. 10 ones are. First, in which place, what we are getting, that you have to know. What we are getting, that you have to know. Afterwards, easily we can calculate. So 4 is in tens place, 6 is in ones place. So 10 into 1, now we are getting tens. So 10 into 1. So 4 6 are 24 tens. Next, 4 is in tens place, 2 is also in tens place. So 10 into 10, 100. That means we are multiplying 4 with 2. 4 2s are 8. 8 we are getting hundreds. 8 hundreds we are getting. So hundreds place under you have to write down there. Now 4 is in tens place. 3 is in hundreds place. 10 into 100. 10 hundreds are 1000. 10 hundreds are 1000. Now we are getting thousands. All thousands you have to write under thousands place only. Now 4 we should multiply with 1000. Oh, so 4 is in which place? Tens place. 10 into 1000. 10 into 1000 gives 10,000. So whenever you are multiplying 4 with 4, you have to write, you are getting 10,000s. All these 10,000s you should write under 10,000s place. Now understood? Now first of all, multiply 5 with all these 4 numbers. So 5 6 are 30. Observe carefully everybody here. 30. What is this 30? 1 with 1. 5 is in ones place, 6 is also in ones place. So ones place you are multiplying with ones place, you will get 1 only. That means 30 what? 30 ones you are getting. 31. 31 means 0 is in ones place and 3 is in tens place. Observe carefully. So 0. Write down 0 under ones place. Now 3 tens are there here. Now whenever we are getting tens, these 3 tens we should add to the tens. So how we are getting tens you can see. Now 5 we should multiply. With the 6 we have multiplied. Then 5 we should multiply with the 2. So 5 is in ones place, 2 is in tens place. So 1 into 10 we are multiplying. Ones place digit we should multiply with the tens place digits. 1 tens are. What you are getting? Tens we are getting. Very, very important. Observe carefully. Tens we are getting. Okay. So how many tens we are getting? 5 twos are 10. That means 10 tens we have got. And already how many tens we have here? See here, 3 tens we have. So 10 tens plus 3 tens is equal to 13 tens. So okay. So that is 13 tens. In 13 tens, take out 3. Write down 3 under, this is 3 is under tens place, 1 is next greater than tens, hundreds. So take out this 3 under, write under tens place. Okay, 13 tens. In 13 tens, 3 tens, 100. So hundreds you can keep there. Whenever you are getting hundreds, that hundreds we should add to this 100. Now 5 you multiplied with the 6, 5 we multiplied with the 2 also. Now 5 we should multiply with the 3. So what is this 3? 3 is in which place? 3 is in hundreds place. Where is 5? 5 is in ones place. That means 5 into 3. That means ones place we are multiplying with hundreds. 100s are hundreds. Now we are getting hundreds. Okay? Now we are getting hundreds. How many hundreds are there? 5 into 3. 5 3 are 1500s we are getting. 1500s and already here we have 100. How many hundreds are there? Here 100. 1500 plus 100 is equal to 1600. So strike out this under, write down 16. So this is 1600. So 6 is in hundreds place. Next greater than hundreds place is thousands place. So write down this in thousands place. So write 6 under hundreds place. So strike out. Write down under hundreds place. Now we should write down 1 in the under thousands place. But while you are writing thousands place, observe here one more digit is there. This also we should multiply. So afterwards you will get thousands. Okay. Now what you have to multiply? Now 5 we should multiply with 4. 5 is in which place? Ones place. 4 is in which place? thousands place. So 1 into 1000. Now we are getting thousands. We are getting thousands. Already here 1000 is there. But how many thousands now we are getting? You can check. 5 4 ja. 5 4 ja how much? 5 4 ja 20. So 20 thousands we have got. Why you are saying these are thousands? Why you are saying 20 as thousands? Why you are not saying them hundreds or ones or tens? Why you are saying 20 as thousands? Because so 5 is in ones place. The ones place digit we are multiplying with the 4 is in thousands place. So 1000s are thousands. So only we are getting thousands. So 5 for the 20,000s we got. 20,000s plus 1000 gives 21,000. So this is thousands. 21,000 means, observe carefully, 21,000 means, so 1 is in thousands place, next greater than thousands, 10,000. So this is 10,000 place, 2 is in 10,000. So write down 1 under thousands place. Now is there any digit to multiply here? There is no digit. With 4 also we multiplied. Then there is no digit. So write down this 2 also under 10,000 place. 10,000. So this is 2. Because nothing is there to multiply. If one more number is there, then that will come to 10,000. So 1 we have written here, 2 also we have written here. So completed that. Now next you see carefully. Now observe carefully. Now with the 5 we have multiplied. 5 multiplied with 6, 5 with 2, 5 with 3, 5 with 4 also multiplied. Now we have to multiply 4 with 6, 4 with 2, 4 with 3, 4 with 4. Okay? Whenever you are multiplying, where we have to write down now and what we are getting now, observe carefully. This is very, very, very important. All of you carefully observe. Now while you are multiplying, 4 is in which place? Tens place. 4 is in tens place. And 6 is in which place? Ones place. So 10 into 1. 10 ones are 10. Now here we are getting directly tens. We are not getting ones. Now here we are not getting ones. So we are not getting ones means ones place 0. అందుకనే ఇక్కడ 0 పెడతాను నా ఆర్డర్. Ones place లో 0 ఎందుకు పెడతాము? Directly we are getting tens. So what are the tens? 4 is in tens place and that we should multiply with ones place. 4 6 are 24. 24 what are? 24 tens. Why 24 tens? Because 4 is in tens place, 6 is in ones place. So 10 ones are tens. So we are getting 24 tens. 24 tens, 4 tens right under tens place. 4 under tens place. And 2 is hundreds. 2 hundreds left over. Keep that. Now 4 multiplied with 2. 4 2s are 8. 4 is in which place? Tens place. 2 is in which place? Tens place. So 10 into 10. 10 tens are hundreds. Now we are getting hundreds. How many hundreds? 4 2s are 8 hundreds we have got. 8 hundreds. And already here we have 2 hundreds. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10 hundreds we are getting. Okay, 10 hundreds means 0 is in hundreds place and 1 is in thousands place. So 0 is in hundreds place, 1 is in thousands place. So write down 0 under hundreds place. Hundreds place are rasam kabatti. Okay, leave it. Now, so we multiplied 4 with 6, cross mark. We multiplied 4 with 2, strike out. Now 4 we should multiply with 3. Where is 4? 4 is in tens place, 3 is in hundreds place. So 10 hundreds are 10 into 100 is equal to 1000. So we are getting thousands now. Now we are getting 10 hundreds are thousands we are getting. Now thousands, already here 1000 is there. Now we are getting some thousands. These two we have to add again. So now 4 should be multiplied with 3. 4 3s are 12 thousands we got. 12 thousands plus 1000 is equal to 13,000. So in 13,000, 3 is in thousands place and 1 is in 10,000s place. Okay? Write down 3 is in thousands place. No? Thousands place. So this is thousands place. Write 3 under thousands place. So this is thousands, this is also thousands. This is hundreds, this is hundreds. This is tens, this is tens. This is ones, this is ones. Okay? afterwards we can add all these ones, tens, hundreds. Then you will get a exact answer. Now 10,000 is left over. Now keep it. Now we should multiply 4 multiplied with 3 also. Next, now 4 we should multiply with 4. Where is 4? This 4 is in tens place. Where is this 4? In thousands place. So tens place into thousands place. 10 into 1000. 10 into 1000 is equal to, see here, 10 into 1000. So here 1 0, here 3 zeros, totally 4 zeros. 1 ones are 1, 3 plus 1, 4 zeros. That means 10,000s we are getting now. Now we are getting 10,000. That means, so 10 into 1000 gives 10,000. So 4 4s are 16. 16 10,000s we have got, and already here 1 10,000 is there. 16 plus 1 is equal to 17 10,000s. That means 17 10,000s. No, this is in 10,000s. Next greater than 10,000 is 1 lakh. So this is in lakhs place. So 10,000s place under 7 write down 7 under 10,000. Next greater than 10,000s is 1 lakh. So here is 1 lakh also we have got. So 1 should be written. Now add all these. What we have to add? Now ones place we have to add, tens place we have to add, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s, 1 lakh. So ones place, 0 plus 0, 0, 3 plus 4, 7, 6 plus 0, 6, 3 plus 1, 4, 2 plus 7, 9 and 1. Then this is called the product. We can write it as like this. So units, thousands, lakh. 1,94,670. So this is the product. What is this product? This product, how you got this product? By multiplying this multiplicand with this multiplier. The multiplicand here is 4,326 and multiplier is 45. Whenever you are multiplying 4,326 with 45, here you have got 1,94,670. This is known as product. Therefore, the product is equal to PRODUCT. Product is equal to 1,94,670. This is the way of multiplication of number. You can take any number of digit multiplication. So slowly we can add. First, ones place you can multiply with all these digits. Then hundreds place you should multiply with all these digits. Then hundreds place you should multiply with all these. Next, thousands place with all these numbers. 10,000s place with all those numbers. Any number of digits given also, easily by multiplying like this you will get answer. But whenever you are multiplying and writing the product, so ones place under ones place, tens place under tens place, hundreds place under hundreds place, thousands place under thousands place, 10,000s place under 10,000s, 1 lakhs place under 1 lakhs. Like this if you are writing, so you will get a easy. If you are writing tens place under ones place, or otherwise tens place under hundreds place, hundreds place under thousands place, if you are writing, you will get a wrong answer. So for that, it is very important to write them in columns in their places itself. Okay? So this is multiplication. Like this, we can take. For example, whenever you are multiplying with 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, what will happen? That you can see here. So whenever you are multiplying, first of all, you have to 10 into 200, 50 into 100, 700 into 3,000, 500 into something. So then if you are multiplying a number with multiples of tens, multiples of tens means multiplying with 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakh, like that. So not only 10, 100, and whenever you are multiplying 10 with 30, what happens? That also means. just. So whenever you are multiplying in the product, you will get a number of zeros as usual. We should add the zeros in the product. So observe carefully, whenever you are multiplying 1 with 2, just multiply the numbers. Multiply the numbers and write down the product. So 1 2s are 2 and add all the zeros. Here you should add all the zeros and write down at the right side of this product. So to the right side of this 2 we have to write number of zeros. Any zeros? Yes, there are zeros in the multiplicand and multiplier. In the multiplicand here we have 1 0 and in the multiplier here we have 2 zeros. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So 3 zeros we should write after the product. So write down 3 zeros. Then if you are writing 3 zeros, how much it becomes? 2000. This is 2000. Now multiply here. 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. Then multiply 0 and 2 zeros. So 1 0 and 2 zeros. Total how many zeros? 3 zeros. So 5 after, write 3 zeros. 5 after 3 zeros and dividing this units. 5000. Now multiply 7 with 3. Multiply 7 with 3. 7 3s are 21. Afterwards, add the number of zeros in multiplicand and multiplier. Multiplicand lo, multiplier lo ఉన్న మొత్తం zeros ని యాడ్ చేయండి. Multiplicand లో 2 zeros, 7 after 2 zeros. Multiplier లో 3 after 3 zeros. So totally 2 zeros plus 3 zeros. 5 zeros are there. So write down 21 after 5 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now how to read this number? Units period, thousands period, lakhs period. So totally the product is 21 lakhs. Now 5 into 7, 35. Write down 35 and afterwards number of zeros. 4 plus 2, 6 zeros. Write down 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then it is units, thousands, lakhs and crores. 3 crores, 50 lakhs. 3 crores and 50 lakhs. Now here check carefully. 9 into 3. 9 3s are 27. And add the number of zeros in multiplicand and multiplier. In multiplicand here we have 4 zeros. In the multiplier here we have 2 zeros. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. So write down 6 zeros after 27. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now divide the given number into periods in Indian system of enumeration. Units period, thousands period, lakhs period and crores period. So the product is 2 crores and 70 lakhs. 2 crores and 70 lakhs. Understood everybody? So this is the way of multiplication of numbers and multiplication with 10, 100, 1000 also. Now for example, we have a bundles, 10 rupee bundle, 100 rupee bundle and 1000 rupee bundle, 2000 rupee bundle, 500 rupee bundles. So whenever, this is very important for us, while after earning the money, how can you count? That is very, very important. In a bundle, it contains 100 notes. If a bundle has 100 notes, that we can call it as a bundle. Okay? 100 notes in కలిపి ఒక కట్ట కట్టేస్తామన్నా ఆ కట్టనే మనం బండిల్ అంటాం. బండిల్లో మొత్తం ఎన్ని నోట్స్ ఉండాలి? 100 నోట్స్ ఉండాలి. అయితే 2 రూపీ బండిల్ 1 రూపీ బండిల్ దగ్గర నుంచి మనం తీసుకుంటూ వస్తే 1 రూపీ బండిల్ యొక్క వాల్యూ ఎంత, 2 రూపీ బండిల్ యొక్క వాల్యూ ఎంత, నెక్స్ట్ 5 రూపీ బండిల్స్ ఉంటే దాని యొక్క వాల్యూ ఎంత, దెన్ 10 రూపీ బండిల్ యొక్క వాల్యూ ఎంత, 50 రూపీ యొక్క బండిల్ యొక్క వాల్యూ ఎంత, 100 రూపీస్ బండిల్ ఉంటే దాని యొక్క వాల్యూ ఎంత, దెన్ 200 రూపీస్ ఉంటే దాని వాల్యూ ఎంత, 500 రూపీస్ ఉంటే దాని వాల్యూ ఎంత, 1000 రూపీస్ ఉంటే దాని వాల్యూ ఎంత, 2000 రూపీ బండిల్ ఉంటే దాని వాల్యూ ఎంత. సో లైక్ దిస్, ఇఫ్ ఎ బండిల్ కంటైన్స్ what is the value of that money, value of that money, now we can learn. That is nothing but multiplications only. Whenever you are multiplying these numbers with 100, the value of that bundle will becomes that much. That means 1 rupee bundle lo 100 notes ఉంటాయి అంటే 1 రూపీలు 100 ఉన్నాయి అంటే 1 రూపీలు 1 ఉంది అంటే 1 వాల్యూ is 1. 1 రూపీ 2 ఉన్నాయి అంటే 1 into 2, 2 rupees. 1 rupees 50s ఉన్నాయి అనుకో, what is the value of that? 1 into 50 is equal to 50. If 1 rupees we have 25, what is the value? 25 rupees. In the same way, for example, 5 rupees are there. I have 5 rupees. What is the value of that money? 5 rupees into 5 notes. 5 5 is 25 rupees is the value of that money. If I have 2 20 rupees, what is the value of that? 2 into 20, 40. Like that. If it contains 100 rupee note, 100 1 rupee notes, so that is nothing but 1 into 100 gives 100 rupees. So that means the value of 1 rupee bundle is equal to 100. So value of 2 rupee bundle, 2 into 100. 2 into 100 how much? 200. 2 rupee bundle యొక్క value 200. 5 rupee bundle value 5 into 100. 500. 10 rupee value bundle 10 into 100. 10 into 100. 1 1 jar 1. Afterwards 1 2 3 zeros. 1 2 3 that is 1000. So 100 rupee bundle కనుక మన దగ్గర ఉంది అంటే దాని యొక్క వాల్యూ ఎంత అవుతుందనా? ఎస్ 1000 రూపీస్ అవుతుంది. అండర్స్టాండ్? సో 10 రూపీ బండిల్స్ కనుక మీరు తెచ్చుకుంటే దాని యొక్క వాల్యూ 1000. ఇఫ్ యువర్ teacher asked you to bring 1000 rupees for going an excursion, then if you are bringing a 10 rupee note bundle, 10 rupee note bundle, that means 10 rupee notes 100. 10 into 100 gives 1000. That is that. So atlage 50 rupees bundle value is 50 into 100. So that means, so 2 zeros here, 1 zero. So the number of zeros in multiplicand and the number of zeros in multiplier should be added. Added after the product of the numbers. So what are the product? What is the product here? 5 into 1. 5 into 1 is equal to 5 is the product. 5 after we have to write 1, 2, 3 zeros. So this becomes 5000. Next 100 into 100. So 1 1 jar 1. Afterwards, after 2 zeros plus 2 zeros, 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. Then what is its value? Units 1000, 10,000. That means 100 rupee bundle value is 10,000. Next 200 rupee bundle value. 200 into 100. 2 1 is 2. Then afterwards 2 zeros, 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then what it becomes? 20,000. This is 20,000. Next 500 into 100. 5 into 1, 5. After 2 zeros plus 2 zeros, 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So then this is 50,000. What is 50,000? 500 rupee bundle value is 50,000. Next 1000 rupees into 100. 1000 into 100. 1 1s are 1. Afterwards 3 zeros plus 2 zeros, 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. Then what is its value? Units, thousands, lakhs, 1 lakh. So 1000 rupee bundle కనుక మన దగ్గర ఉంటే దాని వాల్యూ ఎంత అవుతుందనా? 1 lakh అవుతుంది. 1 lakh. 1000 rupee bundle మన దగ్గర ఉంటే 1 lakh అవుతుంది. అదే 2000 rupee bundle ఉంటే 2 lakhs అవుతుంది సింపుల్గా. ఓకే 2000. అదే 5000 ఉంటే 5 lakhs. 10,000 bundle ఉంటే 10 lakhs. అంతే సింపుల్. సో 2000 into 100 gives, so 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Afterwards 3 plus 2, 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. Then it becomes units, thousands and lakhs. 2 lakhs. Okay. So this is the multiplication of numbers. So in this way, notes, the value of the notes can be multiplied like this. And also, whenever we are multiplying with 10, 100, 1000, what will happen? That also we can check here with some examples. So 300 into 700 for example. 1000 into 500. 6000 into 200. 900 into 7000. 50 into 400. 80 into 3000. What is these values? Just for knowing these values, first multiply the number, then afterwards followed by number of zeros in the multiplicand and number of zeros in the multiplier. So add the number of zeros in multiplicand and multiplier followed by the 20. Now here 3 into 7 is equal to 3 7 are 21. 1 2 3 4 4 zeros. 1 2 3 4. So that is equal to 2,10,000. Next here 1 5 are 5. Afterwards 3 zeros plus 2 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 zeros. So this is equal to 5 lakhs. Now 6 2 jar 12 into 1 2 3 4 5. Next 7 9 jar 1 2 3 4 5 zeros. Next 5 4 jar 20. How many zeros? 1 2 3 zeros. Then it is 20,000. 8 3s are 24. Afterwards 1 2 3 4 4 zeros. 1 2 3 4. That is units, thousands, lakhs. So in this way we can multiply. Now in the next session, one more by taking the maximum number of digits for multiplication and then afterwards divisions we can check.